Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best preschool toys is probably one of the most crucial investments for early childhood development, as these carefully selected items not only spark creativity and imagination but also foster essential cognitive, social, and motor skills, providing a foundation for lifelong learning and preparing young minds for future academic success in a fun and interactive way. Number 5. Gamenote Classroom Magnetic Alphabet Letters Kit. Introduce your little ones to the joy of learning with this engaging kit. Designed for children aged 3 and up, it makes spelling and ABCs fun and interactive. Developed with insights from educators and parents, this set ensures an optimal learning experience. Every detail, from colors to materials, is chosen to meet the unique needs of young learners. This generous set includes 234 letters in 8 vibrant colors, along with a double-sided magnetic board, pens, and an eraser. It provides everything needed to master spelling, phonics, and CVC words. The versatile magnetic board is perfect for both letter play and drawing, easily erasing for endless reuse. Its clever design helps children learn letter recognition and classification, making it ideal for group activities. Crafted from soft, child-friendly EVA foam, these letters feature full-cover magnets for secure attachment. They are perfectly sized for small hands, easy to grip, and even washable for lasting use. Ideal for guided learning at home or in the classroom, this kit supports children from preschool through elementary school. Its portable design makes it easy for them to take their learning adventure anywhere. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive set for early literacy. If you're looking for a versatile tool for spelling and phonics practice, its ample letters and magnetic board are perfect. Its soft, full-cover magnetic foam letters are ideal for little hands learning to grip and spell. What people say? No reviews available in the source JSON. Unable to extract points due to empty source. Number 4. SpringFlower See and Spell Matching Letter Toy. Introduce your child to the joy of learning with this engaging educational toy. Designed for ages 3 to 6, it makes preschool activities exciting and effective. Inside, you'll find 28 double-sided letter puzzle flashcards, perfect for CVC words. It also includes 52 sturdy wooden alphabet blocks, easy for little hands to maneuver, and a convenient storage bag. This set helps develop crucial skills like sight reading, spelling, and fine motor coordination. It also enhances color sorting, letter recognition, and word association, making learning comprehensive. Watch their confidence soar as they discover and spell common CVC sight words. This toy makes learning to read easier, bringing a sense of accomplishment and pride with every word they master. It's perfect for parents who want to engage with their children in meaningful learning. Enjoy assembling words together, fostering brain development and creating lasting memories. This puzzle set makes an exceptional gift for children aged 3 to 6. It's ideal for classrooms, homeschooling, or simply providing engaging, screen-free fun at home. What we like? This set is designed to build foundational reading skills. If you want to encourage early sight reading and CVC word mastery, its matching letter puzzles and wooden blocks provide a structured approach. It's excellent for boosting a child's self-confidence as they independently spell words. What people say? No reviews could be extracted as the source JSON was empty. Please provide product reviews to extract information. Number 3. Learning Resources Alphabet Acorns Activity Set. Engage your child in multisensory alphabet learning with these adorable acorns. They feature uppercase letters on top and lowercase letter toys inside, reinforcing letter sounds. Strengthen little hands as children twist open these acorns and manipulate small objects. Snapping the caps back on helps develop crucial dexterity needed for writing and other tasks. Create various educational games, from letter matching and alphabetical ordering to word building and color sorting. These activities keep children engaged while they learn essential skills. Watch your child's excitement as they discover the hidden toy inside each acorn. Each toy corresponds to its letter, making alphabet practice a rewarding treasure hunt experience. Made from thick, sturdy plastic, this set withstands enthusiastic play from multiple children. It includes 78 total pieces, ensuring long-lasting fun and learning. What we like? This unique set makes alphabet learning an exciting discovery. If you're seeking a multisensory approach to letter recognition and sound association, its twist-open acorns are incredibly engaging. It's perfect for developing fine motor skills as children twist, manipulate, and discover hidden surprises. What people say. No positive product works. Design function feature facts found in the provided empty source. Unable to extract 2 to 3 helpful points as the source JSON is empty. Number 2. FUBAODA Kids 600 PCS Building Blocks STEM Educational Toy. This amazing toy encourages boundless creativity in your child. It helps cultivate their spatial relationship understanding, 3D imagination, and vital eye-hand coordination. Kids will quickly learn to build exciting 3D structures within minutes. Its blocks are designed for little fingers, attaching with minimal pressure and staying firmly in place. With 600 vibrant pieces, it provides hours of imaginative play. This set is entertaining for single or multiple children, fostering a sense of achievement together. It improves attention span, memory, fine motor skills, and hand-eye coordination. This toy also encourages curiosity and creativity, making learning an adventure. Designed to foster STEM education, it's a key factor for success in today's world. This educational kit helps develop problem-solving abilities for all ages. Well worth it for a full range of kids' ages, it makes a fantastic present. Give the gift of learning and fun for birthdays or Christmas. What we like. This massive set unlocks endless creative construction possibilities. If you want to cultivate spatial reasoning and 3D imagination, its easy-to-handle blocks allow for quick and complex builds. It's an excellent choice for fostering early STEM skills and encouraging imaginative play. What people say. Number 1. Apluses Magnetic Building Cubes. Introduce your child to a world of intellectual development and hand-eye coordination. These magnetic cubes are designed to boost visual perception, cognitive abilities, and logical thinking. They are perfect Montessori toys for classrooms, toddlers, and preschoolers. Crafted from high-quality materials, these building blocks are made to last. Their smooth edges and proper size ensure easy grasping for little hands, preventing scrapes. Enhanced magnetism keeps creation stable, providing lasting enjoyment and valuable learning. Experience the joy of free building and stacking with ease. Unlike traditional blocks, these offer boundless possibilities and creative combinations. Your child can unleash their imagination, enjoying endless building possibilities alone or with friends. These magnetic cubes are designed for seamless integration with other building block sets. Their standardized size ensures compatibility with popular brands and themes. This allows children to expand their creations and enhance their play experience. Highly regarded and versatile, these toys offer different levels of fun for various ages. They are perfect for classrooms, homes, parties, or travel. Give the gift of joy and surprise for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. These magnetic cubes offer a stable and versatile building experience. If you're looking for open-ended play that encourages intellectual development and fine motor skills, its strong magnets ensure creations stay intact. Its compatibility with other block sets means endless expansion and integrated play possibilities. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.